time went really fast, but Tyler for Lover. It is July and I just wanted to introduce our vlog. So this is another holiday vlog. I'm on holidays for the school holidays and this is what I'm doing. A lot of it has to do with Measina, so enjoy and we'll see you later.
This, and then the third move will be the back, and then from the third go back to the middle, so start, and then third. It's just like reps. Do you mind if I record? Okay. 1, 2. Oh yeah. So the starting move we go 4 times, 2, 3, 4, and then from the 4th we go into the mini door. Do that for 4 seconds or 4 rotations. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then to the back. So we go 1, 4 times, 2, 3, 4, and then on the 4th one we go back to really door. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to the starting move. 1, 2, 3, 4, really door. 1, 2, 3, 4, back to the back. 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Because all you have to do is this move, because you're really good at that move, and then this move.
Telephone Sunday. Oh, let me turn this down so you can hear me. I just finished basketball, so every Sunday I get to play basketball with my sister, and yeah, just finished. It's after 8 and I'm really ready to do nothing. So the first couple days of my school holidays I plan to do nothing, just because it's time for me to take time to reset and to take time for me. And so doing nothing, really exciting. So I'm sorry if this vlog is a little bit boring, but yeah, Sunday all I've done today is eat, sleep, had a really good nap and play basketball. So yes, have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. So today we are in the garage. Now we're in the garage because this is where we hold the Siva Afi workshops, Siva Afi classes, while it is cold and wet. And so we've had a few new students and we need to make more space. So I'm going to take you around. So as you can see, we've got a whole bunch of junk that needs to be cleaned. And so yes, our goal is to only have things on this side of the wall. So this side will all be clear except for those shelves at the back, and then this side will be clear also, and hopefully we have a budget to put in some mirrors. So that is our goal. The for the garage space. So I'm going to take you through as I clean, purge and reorganize the space. It might be a couple days, but it's gonna happen. Yeah, that's why I'm on holidays and I have time to do this. hopefully I also have a budget. So I'm back at Bunnings. We just bought a shelf. Well, we just found a shelf that we're going to use in the garage to put all of the boxes and stuff. And then I got some snapdragon flower, what do you call them? Seeds. So I'm going to plant them in the garden later this year. And now I'm just looking at plants because that's my new thing to do. Get plants. Okay, so we're back in the garage. I haven't actually done anything. We've just gone shopping and the rest of the garage still looks the same. So what I purchased was a rod and combo storage stand. So this is gonna have our fishing poles, and then we also have this really big adjustable shelf. It's quite heavy, so yeah. So we've got that, and that's gonna hold some of the extra things that we are not throwing away that are just in the middle of the garage. And so while I am doing I'm gonna attempt to put together I think it'd be easier if I do the fishing thing. So I'm going to attempt to put the fishing thing together and also talk about my goals. So I'm going to put a here that was from the beginning of the year that talked about my goals for personal life, my professional and financial. And so that is up there. And I'm going to talk to you about whether or not I have succeeded with that. So our first goal was to get or rent a CPAP machine by February 28th. So I rented the CPAP machine for a couple months, and in that time I found that it helped with my sleep. I slept longer and woke up more refreshed. I also found that I was not snoring, and that was one of the main problems, is my snoring. It affected the sleep of my husband. Okay, so I purchased the CPAP machine. I was using it. It was going really well, and then I got sick, and so now I have to retrain myself into using it again because I stopped. And yeah, so I achieved that goal. We've got our CPAP machine. The next goal, I really should get a chair. Let me grab a chair so we can. Let me grab a chair. Okay. So the next goal was to complete a 5-year financial plan by February 1st, 2024, and that was a professional goal. I started it but did not finish. So that was a bit of a fail, but I still have time to complete that. It's a new financial year, which means it might be more appropriate to do it around now. Just needed to put the stand together. Okay, let me find my Phillips head screw driver. Yeah, found it. So our next professional goal was to start Measina Incorporated. So I have started Measina Incorporated. It is now live. We have not done any work on its progress, so that's also it's done, but it needs more work. Then we added to change Measina into a company. So Measina is a business registered, and it was under my name, so solopreneur, and now it is a registered company. So yay, it's a company. I decided to do that because as a sole trader, I was finding that it was too easy for me to just take money from the business. I mean, it was my money, but for me to see Measina grow, I wanted it to be something that was more than just pocket money for me. I wanted to see it grow financially, and I want to see it grow even if I'm not there. So that was why we chose to move Measina into a company. Yeah, and our last goal for professional development was to become a full-time entrepreneur by October 2024. That goal is not going to happen in that time period, so I'm being realistic and I'm changing that goal to February 2025, because I know I will not be able to achieve that this year. Yeah. Oh wait, I forgot there were 3 other personal goals that I did not cover. So there was have my hysterectomy surgery. So in the video I tell you that I have endometriosis. It is an adenomyosis. So I'm having a hysterectomy to cure adenomyosis. Then in that time they're also going to be removing part of my bowel, which has nodules of endometriosis in it. So it's now stuck to my uterus and also one of my ovaries, and so that's why I needed the hysterectomy, but it's not happening this year. Australia's public medical system don't have the time or the resources this year, so the line is quite long, and I hope that next year it will happen. So my goal has changed that to next year, and out of my hands, but yeah. So one of the goals that has now moved up is to get ADHD testing by November 2024. So I've been assessed. I have ADHD, and I also have significant autism traits, and so that's an assessment. In order for me to get the medication that I need to settle my ADHD and calm my mind, I need an actual diagnosis. So I'm still hoping to get that done this year. My timeline says November 2024, but we'll see, because there's also waiting lists there. And then my final personal is to buy a house. So we had some savings, and like many things, savings come and savings go, and my savings went and so now I have to resave for a house. So the house is not going to happen this year, which is okay, because the housing crisis makes it so that it's a bit expensive for me right now anyway. So yeah, house is not happening in 2024. What else did I have? So that was my personal and professional. Yeah, personal and professional done. Next is financial. So the first goal I met, I paid off my credit card by March 31st, 2024. Then I have saved $3,000 for a house because we're no longer getting the house. The saving is still going to happen, but not by June 2024. Then the next goal is to save $15,000 for Samoa reunion by January 1st, 2025. So that's an ongoing goal. It's still happening. So hopefully it will continue. But yeah, those are my goals. Updates for this year. I'm going to continue putting this together and hopefully finish it in time for the end of this video. So thank you and enjoy the time lapse. So this is our barbecue from the Toriki family fundraiser. Some sausages, some yam and chops, really delicious. Then we have some crab salad, the amazing Cook Islands potato salad, was so yummy, and also some chop suey. So that's how I started my day, eating some barbecue from the Toriki family fundraiser, hoping that they get everything that they need to go for their reunion. I'm in the car. I did laundry. I've got basketball tonight and it's in the laundry and I need to dry it. So we're at the shops drying my clothes. Just filmed another YouTube video about Samoan phrases that you can use at the airport in Samoa. So make sure to check that out. Not sure when it's going to come out. I think it'll come out before this video, but yeah, make sure to check that out. What is the other thing that I'm doing? I'm crocheting. A bit boring, but it's fun. Yeah, that's me today. Laundry and crocheting in the car. I'm filming in the car. It's a beautiful sunny day, but yeah, yay, far. We are at Fed Square. We just finished eating snacks. We're here for the NAIDOC week market, and then we're going to Mabu Mabu to do a indigenous food workshop.
I was there for 16 days.
Oh, well, that's nice.
So each one's here. So we're going to go through, let's go in the middle, and each of the ones that go through, taste, have a little smell of it. Now, when you guys taste it and when you smell it, I'll just wait like a few minutes. Can anybody like sort of give me a, like, so the more lighter they are, the more malty flavor they've got, that malty flavor, almost like having powdered milk. Who grew up with powdered milk? Okay. In front of you have rye berries, you have we call it Errol or headfirst cherry as well. We have some other iced tea over there too as well. You guys? Compared to other states. Especially like I don't think.
This is so good.
Don't worry if you yeah.
So we're back from the NAIDOC week, NAIDOC market. So I just wanted to show you what we got. So the first thing we got were these deadly earrings from House of Dizzy, as well as the Aboriginal flag studs. So these are from House of Dizzy. The link will be in the description. Then we went to Ilan Style and we tasted their moringa lemon tea. So this is the lemon tea. It was really nice. It has that really great it also has hibiscus in it, moringa leaf, ginger root. So it's like a lemongrass and ginger. So if you like lemon and ginger, this is a great tea. Then we went to Tig's Art. So Tig's Art do indigenous artwork. There were a few boomerangs. This one, Tig's Art owner Tim, his daughter actually did the artwork on this. So this is great. On the back there is a QR code which shows you how to throw it so that it returns to you. So this is an actual boomerang that will return to you. So there's that, and then they also had these cute little scrunchies. So again, links for Tig's art will be in the description. Then we went to Mabu Mabu. So Mabu Mabu are a business who do just indigenous foods, and they held a workshop which showed us all of the different herbs and spices that are indigenous to Australia that we can use every day. And so we got to smell, we got to taste, and then make our own spices. So these are our spices that we've made. So we got to bring them home with us. So I think I have a bit of video footage of that, but these are our spices we made during that workshop. Then we also purchased a damper kit. So at the workshop they had hibiscus damper, and it was amazing. So hopefully it's the same as this damper kit. This is made with native flour mix, a jam pairing, and some tea. I haven't actually opened it. Let me try opening it, see what's inside. Oh, I don't have any nails. Okay. So it's got saltbush flour, hibiscus, and strawberry gum jam. Okay, so it has the recipe. It's got some chai for us to try. Oh, I just bought this. Hibiscus and strawberry jam. I didn't read the box properly. And then some golden syrup. And here's the saltbush damper mix. So it comes in this cute little box. Let me see if I can show you. Very cute. So we're going to be making damper sometime soon. Then we got, if I'd read the box properly, then I probably wouldn't have got this. We've got some hibiscus and strawberry gum jam. So we're going to eat that. We've got a lot of it now. Then we got our savory spice trio. So this one has pepperberry, saltbush, and wattle seed. So the pepperberry we found today, when you use it, it actually has like a pinkish tinge to it, so it's going to color your food. So if you have pepperberry and you put it on your food, it's going to turn it just a slightly pinkish color. So very excited to try that out. That is the savory spice trio. Then we have the sweet spice trio, which is lemon myrtle, strawberry gum, and cinnamon myrtle. Very excited to try that out also. That's the sweet spice trio. And last but not least, everyone who knows me knows that anyone who knows me knows that I love hot chocolate, and so when I saw this I had to make sure that I got it. It is wattle seed hot chocolate. Let me show you. Wattle seed hot chocolate. So in it, it's got, where are the ingredients? Hot chocolate powder is flavored with nutty coffee aroma of wattle seed along with aniseed, myrtle, and raw sugar. Oh, so it's already got sugar in it, so I don't need to add sugar. So I'm excited to try this as well. And that is my NAIDOC haul. Again, links for all of the businesses that we mentioned will be in the description. So we've started cleaning out the rest of it. As you can see, we've got a rubbish collection coming. So there's a whole bunch of rubbish going out here. Still need to sort out some rubbish that's coming out of here so that we have this space in the middle completely clear for our classes. So let's film. You lift it up.
You think your trolley's strong enough?
Yeah. So I'm going to lift it this way. And then you put it underneath it.
Put it there.
You want to grab the camera and put it in this so you can get us moving it? Because I think that would be okay. Is it recorded?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
Wait. Oosh.
We got a game plan for running down an STI? Hi, what are you doing here? Right, I'm sorry,
Should I do that? Move this thing, just chuck it on my shoulder.
I'm gonna take that. You figure it out.
I feel like justice. It's moving company. A bit more this way, because they got the angle at the corner. And up.
stays alive. It's out.